Hi, I'm Natalie from Hobby Base.
Hi, I'm Jo.
And today we've got a special unboxing video of the new Gemini Foilpress.
Can't wait.
Let's take a look. Okay, so very exciting. The brand new Gemini Foilpress is in the house.
It looks so funky and modern.
It does. So let's do a first-hand edition unboxing.
Yes, my favourite. It's like Christmas come early. Just put that on there for a moment. So beautifully packaged.
It is, and it's not actually that heavy, is it?
No,
really?
no, not at all.
It's fairly light.
Not at all.
Okay,
there we are. Right, shall we?
Yeah, let's go. We've got our
so what have we got in here? So that's it's the manual and the plates.
Okay.
So nice size too.
Yeah, really
nice
good.
Size. Okay, so let's lift this out.
Move that aside.
Oh, and we have some goodies with it too. And there's not too much packaging either,
No,
which is lovely. You know,
good.
save the odd tree. So
yeah, all the cables come in the box.
That's wonderful. Okay, right. Look at this, isn't it? Oh, I just think it's pretty actually.
Yeah,
I just think it's really, really lovely.
It's quite a decent size. So it's not going to take up too much space in the house.
But also it's a good size for card making. A lot of things are quite small, but this is actually kind of like a really lovely size. So let's have a look. And it's very slim actually too.
Yeah.
So
it is really good.
And you've got different temperatures.
Okey-doke.
That's something new, isn't it? You can sort of different temperatures for different things.
Low, medium, or high heat.
Yeah.
Nice.
And right, okay, so let's
cool.
have a look.
What else have we got in here?
Oh gosh, look at this.
This is the kind of setting pad, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, this is that's the heat pad. Yeah. Oh gosh.
Nice and
tight fit.
Tight, yeah. Packaged in there nice and tightly.
Oh, so it comes with some foil.
Okay, brilliant.
Which is always handy.
Foil, yeah.
And then I'm not quite sure. They look like feet, but I'm not sure. So we'll have a look at that for a moment.
We'll have a look.
Some really lovely tweezers actually, really good quality tweezers.
Yeah, so they're for you're tweaking your little bits of foil off, aren't they?
Oh yeah, absolutely, and they're quite nice quality ones too.
Yeah.
You've got your heat pad, which is lovely, and I do love the colours of the Gemini. I think they're sort of just
nice girly
really
purple.
Nice and girly. And oh, Grams, you've even got some ready to go foil dies. What have we got here? So we have a really pretty frame and corner.
Nice.
So that would be lovely for a sentiment, wouldn't it?
And they're so dinky too. That's
they
really cute.
Aren't they? Absolutely, they're really lovely. And then we have some really pretty little ones here. So you've got a happy birthday, a little butterfly, and a little swirl, little flourish.
Awesome.
Which are really pretty.
These are silicone finger grips.
Oh, what a good idea! Look at that. I haven't seen those in any of the others before.
No, we haven't. They are new, so I guess that's to help the
yes, with the
stuff.
pads. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, that's such a good idea.
Very protective.
Yeah,
that's great.
Really good idea.
So you've got the machine, you've got your silicone finger pads, you've got your heat mat, you've got all the plates that you need in order to use the machine.
Yeah, you've got some ready to go.
Ready to go dies already, and you've got some tweezers for removal, and you've got some foil roll as well. So you've got it.
So really, you've got it all there, ready to go.
And there's also a few extra foils that are available as well. These don't come with the box, but you've got a few extra colours that
you've
are
got a little holographic one there, and then sort of little sort of speckly one there. So yeah, very pretty.
Awesome. And we know that hot foiling is really popular, and this is a great companion to the Gemini die cutting machine.
Yeah, I understand though that this goes with the Junior.
Okay.
But if you have the biggest Gemini, that you will need an extra plate to go with it. So it's worth looking into.
Cool.
Just to see whether you do need that extra plate. And I'm just going to have a look in here because I'm going to see whether we can. I know on some we can use different materials, can't we?
Oh,
so
yes,
I'm just going to see whether they have a list of materials that you can use in here. There we are. Where are we? Hot foiling with thin metal dies. Well, that's good.
Yeah,
Because you can use the dies you've already got. Foil stamp dies.
Cut dies, hot foil.
Yeah, so that's really good.
There we go.
What have we got? We've got, what can we use? Cardstock, pearlescent cards, vellum, mirror card, acetate, leather, fabric, and ribbon.
Awesome.
So again, really versatile.
Multi-use.
Definitely. Yeah, really good product.
Well, that's it for this week, guys. I hope you liked that very special unboxing video of the new Gemini Foilpress. I know there's somebody who's going to be going to buy one today.
Definitely.
If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions about what we've shown you today, do pop them in the comments box below. We'd be happy to answer them. That's it for now. More importantly, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with all the latest content that we're putting out here at Hobby Base, and we will see you all very soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.